Hey everyone, Michael here. Here's what it's going to take for Bitcoin to get back up to $25,000 sometime in the next 2 weeks. First of all, both the weekly, daily, and 4-hour charts are all in oversold territory. We do need a little bit of a bounce here, and this could be good for us to make a big move. There are two major breakouts we need to have happen before we can get more excited about Bitcoin potentially making a move up to $25,000, guys. The big one here is the short term. We need to go above 20 moving average here on the 4-hour chart, and we need to break out right here, okay? These two breakouts I consider the same thing, as one should push us above the other, as well as the Fibonacci level. You can see over the past few hours here, last 12 hours, we've had a lot of trouble getting back above this green Fibonacci level, and that's because last night we actually closed below it for the first time, and that's the big concern about us, possibly breaking down here over the weekend. So we need to have a breakout there, then at least consolidate for a little bit longer out of this pattern right here, and once we can break out of this triangle, that's where you can get more optimistic. This is where you guys really want to be doing that heavy buying. Until we get here, you can do some day trading and such and having a fun time. But if you guys want to buy a larger position in Bitcoin or a larger position in altcoins without having too much of a risk, you guys are going to be looking to trade this breakout here if and when it occurs. We don't know exactly when it's going to occur right now, guys, because right now the market is actually up for the stocks, right? Nasdaq's up 1%. However, if you guys can see, Bitcoin is actually not doing as hot. Just look at the 5-minute chart. We've been coming down here for a little bit of time here so far, right? So we want to be able to hold that $20,000 level, because if we're not going to be able to do that, then we take that next plunge down. However, if we can just break out above this trend line way, way up here around $22,500, that's where you guys could see a surge back up to 25,000. Until then, be very, very cautious, because we're not following the NASDAQ right now, and that should be concerning for those people that want us to break out here and kind of follow the coattails of the market upwards.